Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of communication and discovery with the best shortwave radios of 2023. Whether you're an avid traveler, emergency prepper, or a radio enthusiast, finding the perfect shortwave radio is essential. We've researched and tested the top contenders, bringing you the most reliable, feature-packed options. Stay tuned to discover your ideal radio companion for adventures and emergencies alike. Number 5. The XHDATA D109 Portable Shortwave Radio by Radiowau is a versatile and reliable choice for radio enthusiasts. This 4-band portable radio covers FM, AM, SW, and LW, ensuring you never miss your favorite programs. Its DSP chip enhances reception sensitivity for stable signals and great reception. The radio boasts multifunctionality, including 2 alarm clocks, a sleep function for automatic shutdown, and Bluetooth and TF card support. This means you can play your favorite music via Bluetooth, or insert a TF card for on-the-go entertainment. Its automatic frequency search feature ensures you find signals effortlessly. With a 40mm speaker, this radio delivers rich and distortion-free sound. It also features an AM/BW modulation bandwidth for versatile listening. Plus, it offers private listening with a 3.5mm stereo headphone jack. The D109 is not just convenient but also adaptable. It can be charged via Type-C USB or used with its rechargeable battery, ensuring uninterrupted entertainment even during power outages. In the box, you'll find the XHDATA D109 radio, an English manual, a rechargeable battery, and prompt customer service, making it a comprehensive package for any radio enthusiast. Number 4. The Tecsun PL880 Portable Radio is a must-have for any radio enthusiast, offering a comprehensive range of features in a compact design. This black and gray device provides full-range coverage, including AM, FM, longwave, and shortwave, featuring single-side band reception for unparalleled sensitivity and selectivity. Equipped with PLL-synthesized digital dual conversion technology, this radio stands out for its exceptional performance. It offers 4 and 5 selectable bandwidth filters on AM and SSB respectively, ensuring crystal-clear reception. The single-side band receiver with a 10 Hz tuning step adds to its precision. Additionally, the PL880 functions as a 24-hour alarm clock and includes a sleep timer that can be set from 0 to 120 minutes, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Its power comes from a rechargeable battery with a built-in charger, ensuring continuous usage without interruptions. This radio provides reliable and versatile radio reception in a portable package, making it an ideal choice for radio enthusiasts on the go. Number 3. The Retekess TR618 AM/FM shortwave radio is a versatile and user-friendly device perfect for both home and on-the-go use. With a wide frequency range, covering AM 520 to 1710 kHz, FM 87 to 108 MHz, and SW 6 to 18 MHz, this radio ensures you can access a variety of stations. The built-in DSP chip enhances reception stability, preventing drifting, and an external antenna can be connected for improved SW reception. Operating on AC power or 3D batteries, this radio offers flexibility in usage. The timer socket feature allows precise control when using AC power, while battery operation makes it ideal for activities like drive-in theaters or church services. It supports SD cards, micro SD cards, and USB flash drives up to 16 GB, enabling you to play your favorite MP3 or WMA format music or audiobooks effortlessly. The radio features a 3W speaker, delivering excellent sound quality. It also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack for private listening. With its user-friendly design and impressive features, the TR618 is a thoughtful gift for radio enthusiasts, especially the elderly, ensuring they can enjoy their favorite stations with ease and convenience. Number 2. The Tecsun Digital PL330 Worldband radio stands out as a top-tier portable receiver, offering a broad spectrum of radio frequencies including AM, FM, longwave, shortwave, and single-side band. Utilizing advanced DSP digital demodulation technology, this device ensures unparalleled reception sensitivity, selectivity, and anti-image interference across all bands. Equipped with a premium full-range 8 ohms 250 mW speaker, the PL330 delivers impressive audio quality, producing loud, rich, crispy, dynamic, and distortion-free sound. For private listening, it features a 3.5mm stereo earphone jack and comes with stereo earphones included. The radio also offers convenient features like an alarm clock, a sleep timer with up to 120 minutes duration, an external antenna input, 3.5mm audio output, and 850 memory slots for easy access to frequently tuned stations. The keylock function preserves your settings. Powered by a single 3.7-volt 1000 mAh Li-ion rechargeable battery with a built-in charger, the PL330 provides exceptional portability. It includes the battery and a micro-USB charging cable, ensuring you have everything needed for uninterrupted listening experiences. With its impressive features and outstanding performance, this Tecsun radio is a must-have for radio enthusiasts and travelers alike. Number 1. The Kaito KA500 emergency radio stands as a pinnacle of preparedness, embodying every essential feature needed in crisis situations. Designed for emergencies and disasters, it boasts a range of functionalities crucial for survival. With a high-quality AC-type brushless generator, it guarantees reliable power supply. This radio harnesses the sun's energy efficiently, utilizing a solar panel that not only powers the radio but also charges its built-in batteries. The innovative design allows the solar panel to tilt, maximizing its exposure to sunlight throughout the day. In addition to its solar capabilities, the KA500 features a dynamo crank, ensuring power is always within reach. Beyond power, it offers AM, FM, SW NOAA weather alerts, ensuring you stay informed during emergencies. Its versatile illumination includes a flashlight and a reading lamp, enhancing visibility in dark conditions. Compact and portable, this retro-styled radio is a beacon of preparedness. Its ability to harness solar power, coupled with its dynamo crank, ensures you're never left in the dark during critical moments. A must-have for anyone prioritizing safety and readiness.